Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on Android. While the classic skateboarding game isn't natively available for your mobile device, there are a couple of exciting ways you might still be able to hit the streets of Port Carverton. We'll dive into how cloud gaming can bring the full console experience to your phone, and also touch upon the possibilities and challenges of emulation. Get ready to learn the best approaches to enjoy this beloved title on the go. The most reliable way to play Skate 3 on your Android device is through cloud gaming. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the full console version directly to your phone. This requires an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or faster, to minimize any lag. You'll also need a Bluetooth controller for the best gameplay experience, as touch controls are not ideal for this title. Another potential method involves emulating Skate 3 using a PlayStation 3 emulator on your Android device. While emulators for PlayStation 3 are under active development for Android, achieving smooth and consistent performance remains a significant challenge. Even with a high-end smartphone, you might encounter frame rate drops and graphical glitches. This approach also typically requires a good understanding of emulator settings and obtaining game files, which can be complex. To summarize, if you want to play Skate 3 on your Android device, cloud gaming is currently your best and most official option, offering a full console experience. However, for the absolute smoothest gameplay and highest fidelity, playing on its original console platform, like an Xbox 360 or PlayStation 3, is still recommended. Alternatively, many excellent skateboarding games are designed specifically for mobile, providing a native and optimized experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.